This is not a time to be alone trying to navigate this storm. Now, what happens after our Zoom meeting? Well, if you're qualified and we decide to work together at my brokerage, I will personally teach you the apprenticeship program in our next class. I will also introduce you to our agent package, which is included in that your website, social media tools, lead sources, and much, much more. This is not just about getting you through the coming tough times. It is designed to help you excel through your career in real estate with me and Pier 21 Realty, giving you the path to create unlimited income and success in the real estate business for you and your family. Listen, success in real estate does not have to be a trial. When I first started, I struggled. At that time, I immediately refused to fail and overcame the industry norms. At that moment, I began to create the system that I mastered and implemented in my brokerage today. You see, this system is logical, practical, and simple to apply. You just need to do the work with my guidance and assistance until you are ready to go on your own. One last thing. If you are not at least having this Zoom call consultation with me and having a clear picture of what to expect in the coming months and years, allowing you to assess the position that you are in and how you should respond to it, the question I have is, what will you do instead to succeed while most real estate agents suffer and get destroyed?